Yeah, don't forget the ride.
Parting is such sweet sorrow.
Bye-bye.
A picnic cruise is so romantic, I hope they don't get seasick frantic.
Make sure my car is washed and waxed or you'll lose all your Cadillac privileges.
Now, why do we have to polish his heap? Hey!
Ours is not to reason why. Ours is but to wash and dry.
Yeah, and we're gonna give that caddy the best side ever. The boss will be so proud.
Whoa!
Hi, Hector. Want to jog with us?
All right! Ow!
Temptation is beckoning, but Riff Raff is reckoning.
Whoa!
This is too much to resist. Yeah, charge!
Wow!
It's great to get the old heat back. I'm gonna restore this baby.
I'm glad to be rid of it, Mr. Shweckner. That car attracts the strangest creatures.
Creatures?
Huh?
The car!
What car?
Yeah, that car!
Tell me, Mungo, that you're mistaken. That can't be Riff Raff's car they're taking.
Yeah, the heck it ain't!
You don't have the Cadillac!
We don't have the Cadillac.
You twits! You idiots! You flea-bitten furbags!
There, you'll feel better when we talk it over.
It's okay, Mungo. I'm much calmer now.
Yeah, swear on the junk of your forefathers.
I swear on the junk of my forefathers that you idiots won't eat or sleep or have a moment's peace until that Cadillac is right back here where it belongs.
Yeah, a little to the left, boss.
Now get cracking.
Checked out front and checked in back. Still no sign of the Cadillac. Ooh!
Last junkyard and still no sign of it, Riff. Boy, this place is sure going to the dogs.
Looking.
Whoa! Aye, aye. Right, boss?
Yeah, huh?
Enough for now. Good to have the old car back.
Yeah, wait till I tell the boss. This is the proudest day of my life.
It's very simple, Mungo. Try to think. You put the wire between point A and point B under the dashboard. Got it?
Yeah, boss. Then the engine starts and I drive away. It's as simple as A, B, Q. Yeah, let's see. Point A and point B. There, I think I hear something.
Hoist him out, quick!
Oh.
Mungo didn't mean any harm. Who'd ever guess the owner would install an alarm?
It's all right, Mungo. You gave it your best shot.
I think I'll just recuperate for a while and then again, maybe I'll go get the Cadillac back.
And don't spare the horsepower. We want this plan to work.
Yeah, I got the horses like you asked, but the cops were awful mad.
Okay, Mungo. The coast is clear.
But the cops.
Forget the cops.
Yeah, whatever you say, boss.
Oh!
Yeah, those cops will be here any minute, boss. That's not nice language, boss.
Stop in the name of the law.
Whoa!
You should learn some manners like the nice kitty by the fence.
Did you hear that, boss? They said I was boss. Boss.
So much for Plan B.
I knew he wouldn't let us down. The boss is springing us from the pound.
You guys are more trouble than you're worth.
Yeah? So why are you springing us? Whoa!
Because I need you for Plan C. Nice going, Mungo. Now, sit on the fence and relay my directions.
Yeah, take it from the top. I learned that on TV. Getting warmer, but we gotta hurry because...
Never mind that. Drop it.
Drop it!
Whoa! We're gonna get this right yet. Easy does it.
Easy does it.
Hey!
Huh?
Get your paws off them controls.
Oh!
Oh, the guy at the junkyard was right. This car does attract strange animals.
This is getting to be a habit.
And off to the pound with you.
Meet me at the junkyard, Mungo. I've got to spring these clowns again.
Next time, do us a favor and leave us in the slammer.
Hey, be grateful I didn't use all the dynamite. Now, here's Plan D. Scary balloons?
Check.
Paint?
Check.
Tape recorder? Nix! The big one! Chains?
Check.
Sheets and noisemakers. Head 'em up and move 'em out!
No engine, no tires, and I'm gonna make sure no strange animals bother this baby tonight. No need of the alarm with Murray on the job.
He's asleep. Let's go.
Oh! Yow!
Testing. 1, 2.
Huh? What?
Yeah, rockabye, Shweckner. Go back to sleep.
Lights, camera, action! Gosh, I like saying that.
Contact!
What's going on?
The day you took the haunted caddy, a car that barely coasts, you woke a sleeping army of angry feline ghosts.
Yeah, boo!
Ah!
Double boo!
What do you want from me? The Cadillac is haunted.
1, 2.
Leave me alone!
Yeah, I'm even scaring myself, boss.
You'll have no peace, you big old batty, until you release the haunted caddy.
Take your caddy! Leave me alone! Help! Operator, get me the junkyard. Yes, this is an emergency.
Haunted? Sure, I'll come tow it. I guess it knows the way home.